The following segment is sponsored by Splash Summit Waterpark.
It definitely is not a bad day at work when you get to come to Splash Summit Park in Provo, talking with Casey. Casey, I've just been sitting here watching all the action. I feel like a water park is so nostalgic, right?
Absolutely is, right? We all grew up at the pool. We wanted to be in the water all summer long.
Totally.
Yes.
Now, this used to be 7 Peaks for people who used to come here and
Yep.
are kind of familiar with the area, right?
Yes.
It's new and imagined.
Yes, in 2020 we rebranded to Splash Summit. We really cleaned up the water park and just made it a whole new experience for people.
It's so beautiful and fun and clean, and there's new areas to it. So tell me about Rainforest River.
Rainforest River. So it used to be the lazy river. That's how people are going to remember it. But we've revamped it, and now it's the Rainforest River. You go through some jungle fills, you hear animal sounds. It's very relaxing, just cruising around on your tube.
Oh, that sounds like so much fun. Maybe we'll hit that after this.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's talk about the wave pool. That's what I remember when I was a little kid.
Yes, everybody loves it, right? You want to come hang out in the pool, feel like you're at the beach, but you're still in the pool. Just hang out in the tube and feel that motion.
That's right.
Yes.
And then you can have all the slides too if you're a thrill seeker, right?
Yes, I am. Are you?
I want to pretend I am, but I might not be. But I know you were saying that you'll take on the orange one, right?
I will. You can go down on the mat. It's very fun, but it's a thrill ride.
Well, and of course, this place is family friendly. Now, what about the parents that are a little bit concerned about the little ones? Are there areas for kiddos?
Yes, we have 2 different areas for little kids. So we have one for the tiny kids, just a few inches of water. They can go splash and have a good time. And then if you've got your 5, 6, 7-year-olds just learning to swim, we've got a little bit bigger slides for them so they can still have a good time as well.
Okay, that's great. Now, what about the umbrella areas and cabanas? Do we need to reserve those ahead of time, or is it kind of first come, first serve?
First come, first serve. Come grab your umbrella, enjoy the shade for the day. But then if you're interested, you can also rent a cabana and you can hang out there for the whole day as well.
And then if you want to grab a bite to eat, because you get a little hungry, right? After working up all those on those slides and hanging out.
Yep.
You have awesome, delicious food, too.
We do. We have the snack bar. You've got your hamburgers, nachos. My personal favorite is the pizza.
The pizza?
Yes, I think it's delicious. And then we've also got yummy treats. We've got mini melts and then Dole Whip. So
right here in Utah, folks, come down and get your Dole Whip. What is a favorite? What are you seeing kids just love and kind of like when they come into the park kind of beeline towards?
I think the wave pool. Everybody loves the wave pool.
The wave pool?
Yes.
Definitely.
I think that's for everybody.
Now, you also have this cabana area. It's the hut that you can rent out for parties
yes.
too, right?
Yeah, if you're interested in having a company party, come hang out. We have a lounge, we have a meeting ground for your whole group, and some shade because it gets warm on these summer days, but it's fun to have everyone come down.
It does get a little warm, but that's what it's all about, right, this summer. I love that it's open. People are back to, doing activities in person.
Yes.
Let's talk about tickets. I know you do season passes, day passes. Let's talk about the different options.
Yes. So we have day passes if you just want to come down for the day, or season passes. That's where it's at. You want to be here every day all summer, right? And so we do have a special going on for our viewers. So it's a 30% off our season pass with promo code Fresh Living.
Oh, that's awesome. Fresh Living, use the promo code for 30% off season passes. You definitely want a season pass because
Absolutely.
I feel like just coming here for one day, that's never enough. Now talk about hours with me. Are you guys open 7 days a week, or how does it work?
We're open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday. So in June, we're open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. July, we're open 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. and then back to 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. in August.
Amazing. Make sure to use that code Fresh Living for 30% off. Where can we go for more information, Casey?
Check us out at splashsummit.com.
I love it. Let's go hit the lazy river, right?
Let's do it.
Okay, bye.